How to report a video on YouTube on iPhone. Encountered inappropriate or harmful content on YouTube? Here's a simple step-by-step quick guide to report a video directly from your iPhone. Start by opening the YouTube application on your iPhone. Make sure you are signed into a Google account. Find the video that you want to report, either through your feed, subscriptions, or search bar. Below the video player, tap on 3 vertical dots or just look at the options available next to the title or on the video screen itself. Tap on report where you find it. Then choose the most accurate reason, such as hate speech, harassment, or misleading content. Follow any additional prompts to submit. YouTube will review your report based on its community guidelines. Thanks for helping keep the platform safe and respectful. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.